DJI Air 3 review, capturing stunning footage even in low light. DJI Air 3 is a remarkable drone known for its advanced features and exceptional performance. With its robust design, high-quality camera, and intuitive controls, it's perfect for both amateur and professional filmmakers. Key points. 1. 4K camera. The DJI Air 3 boasts a 4K camera that captures stunning high-resolution videos and photos. 2. Stability and control. Advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, even in challenging conditions. 3. Intelligent flight modes. Features like ActiveTrack, QuickShots, and Hyperlapse make capturing complex shots easy. 4. Long battery life. With up to 30 minutes of flight time, you can film longer without interruptions. 5. Compact and portable. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and deploy quickly. Recently, I took the DJI Air 3 for a test flight at 7 p.m. in the evening at Hospital Kota Belud. Despite the low light conditions, the drone managed to capture clear and high-quality video, showcasing its impressive low-light performance. If you're considering buying a drone, the DJI Air 3 comes highly recommended for its outstanding capabilities and user-friendly experience.